Today we're experimenting with a low and slow brisket versus a hot and fast brisket. I wanted to see the difference in the bark, the smoke ring, the flavor profile, and just how juicy this was. So I brought on my nephew Cam for an objective taste test. Now we trimmed our briskets the same way, cut off the decal, left about a 1/4 inch of fat on the top, and we rounded off the corners so they don't burn. The seasoning was simple. It was equal parts coarse ground black pepper and kosher salt. We used mustard as binder, and then we got a generous coating of rub on both sides and the edges. One brisket we did low and slow at 225, the other we did at 400. We pulled once we hit an internal of 165 and wrapped it in butcher's paper. Then we put them back on the grill until we registered 200 Fahrenheit in the point and put them in the cooler for 90 minutes to rest. So what were the biggest differences? First was the bark. On the hot and fast brisket, it just didn't set in the same way that it did on the low and slow. The smoke ring was bigger on the low and slow, and the low and slow was a more tender brisket.
Yeah, I agree with the rub check.